So now we are going to see about setting up of new administration. So now the Britishers have conquered most of the Indian territories. So now they have to start a new administration, or they have to set up a new administration. Okay. So an important Governor General, Warren Hastings. Who is it? Warren Hastings. Okay. So he was the first Governor General. He was the first Governor General. So Warren Hastings was the first Governor General. So Warren Hastings was the person who played a significant role in expansion of power. So the company conquered most of the territories, and the main three territories were Bengal, Madras and Bombay. Which are the three territories? Bengal, Madras and Bombay. Okay. So now the British territories. Okay. The British territories were divided into administrative units. For them to administer, they were divided into three administrative units called presidencies. Territories were divided into administrative units called presidencies. So how many presidencies do you have? Three main presidencies. Okay. The first one is called Bengal. What is the first presidency? Bengal. The second one is Madras. So the second presidency is Madras, and the third one is Bombay. Okay. So you had three presidencies. So territories were divided into presidencies. Okay. So presidencies, how many presidencies you had? Three. Bengal, Madras and Bombay. So each presidency was headed over by governor. So who was the head of the presidencies? Governor. Okay. So each presidency will have a governor. And the overall head, or the supreme head of the territory, is called Governor General. What are they called? Governor General. Okay. He is the supreme authority or supreme head of a territory. In the year 1772, new justice system was brought. Okay. New justice system. According to this system, each district, okay, according to this system, each district will have two courts. How many courts? Two courts. One is called civil court and the other is called criminal court. Okay. So according to this 1772 new justice system, each district will have two courts. Okay. And the courts are called civil court and criminal court. So this criminal court is otherwise called Faujdari Adalat, and civil court is called Diwani Adalat. Is it clear? So these are the two different court system in each district. Okay. Now in the next year 1773, a new act was passed which is called Regulating Act. What is the act called? Regulating Act. Which year it was? 1773. A new act was passed which is called Regulating Act. So according to this act, new Supreme Court was formed. Okay. According to this Regulating Act of 1773, new Supreme Court was formed. Okay. Now when you take the district, the principal figure in the district is the collector. Okay. The principal figure in the district is the collector. So he is having the responsibility of collecting revenue and maintaining law and order. Is it clear? So these are all about your new administrative system. Okay. Now we shall see about the company army. Okay. So in the Mughal period, the army consisted of just cavalry and infantry. The army consisted of cavalry and infantry. Now when it came to the company, they reformed their army. So your company army consisted of armed muskets and matchlocks. These are all different types of gun. Is it clear? So thus they started their territory and their new administration in our country. Hope you understood the lesson. Thank you for watching, children. Thank you.